Do you want some tips on how to ace your base for that flawless base makeup look? Keep watching to know more. Hey cuties, I'm Rumela, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys some easy steps that you can follow to avoid a cakey base makeup look. The first tip I have here is to use a facial oil after you're done with your skincare routine. Take 2 to 3 drops of the oil and pat it into your skin and let that sink in for 5 minutes. Next step is to use a primer to create a smooth canvas for your foundation and concealer to glide on. Make sure to use it under your eyes as well to avoid creasing. Use a hydrating foundation to make your base look more natural. And blending is the key, so take your time and blend your foundation really well. Avoid applying too much concealer at once, it can cause creasing and your base makeup will look cakey. Instead, apply a little bit, blend it and then build the coverage if required. And lastly, set your base using a compact powder immediately before it creases for a flawless airbrush finish. So those were all the tips that I had to get this flawless looking base makeup. If you guys have any other tips, let us know in the comments down below. And don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel. Bye-bye.